In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save in Assassin's Creed Origins. Check my video description for the save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Go to Documents, open CPY, Player, Uplay, 3539. This is your game progress. Before dropping the 100% save, backup your game progress. Create a new folder, name it as backup, and drop this save inside. Drag and drop the 100% save in this location and launch the game. Go to play and select this Spotify level save file. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.